The country is now showing more interest than ever before in independence.
2,800 jobs to go across Tata's UK sites, most of them within the next 18 months, and most here in Port Talbot.
The problem is now so bad the Welsh Government will this summer trial new measures. They include a possible limit on holiday homes and giving councils the power to raise taxes.